again.
Well, there she goes, boys. Crawdad is choked. Oh yeah, I didn't flick that switch off. You got to remember that.
It's on now then?
Yeah. Fires right up. Yeah, look at all the monies. Look at all the monies, boys. Holy shit. Oh, shit. Just lights. Can't even gain control of the situation, for sakes. Look at that. Got my parking spot back. To be able to see up the road when you're backing out of the driveway now. Okay. Right, you did. Woo! That was worth it right there. Look at her chooch, boys. Holy Van Sufferstink. Wow, that reeks. Well, good send-off anywards. Scores! Well, I'm just coming back from the safety inspection of my new naudis. Needs back brakes, a couple bulbs, something else, I can't remember. What was it? Oh, tires. Tires are dipped, but I got them other tires, I just forgot. So I got a couple little things, couple bulbs, couple brakes, couple tires, and we're good. And the airbag light was a fuse, so no need to dick around with them sensors and stuff. Apparently my ohms readings were correct. I found a guy with the actuators for transfer case control module for 40 bucks. So even if it's dipped, the core charge when you buy a new one's 200 bucks. And I asked him about a front license plate holder for the bumper because it's just gone. But yeah, I don't know. This is very strange. You press the accelerator and there's no noise or anything, and it's just like driving a car. It's all low to the ground real bad. Mirrors are all small and stuff. Got a little dingle bell onto it. Good Lord. You know what I mean? It goes like stink, boys. Holy shit. I'm gonna get a speeding ticket. Dodge Cummins manual transmission, slow, big time. Feels fast, sounds fast. But, oh, I need an O2 sensor too. And of course it's just chazzled, so that's good.
In 2.6
it's just
kilometers,
the chazzled one, no big
turn
deal.
left on Churchill Line.
But yeah, my new one. 2,694.9 engine hours. That's crazy. Things are brand new. Alright, well, I should have done it before, but I figured the parking brake worked and I didn't want to monkey around. So I just left them while they're wore out to the smithereens too. Of course. So we'll get the back brakes done here. And then that'll be awesome. I already started hauling it apart. got one side done there anyway. The other side's exactly the same. I apologize. I apologize I'm so blunt sometimes. But this here, figure, oh, we give her a little chuchapini there because, oh, you can't even fucking sant it, but the inside there, dicked. Not, you know, too bad, but I mean, yeah, that's no good. So I was gonna put her on the lathe, but we run into interference. So I don't know if maybe there's a way to uninterference that, but I'm none the wiser. So yeah, I've always wanted a brake lathe too, just because, you know what I mean, this exact situation. Like I'm constantly buying rotors. I got a stack of rotors for my Dodges because there's still lots of meat left, but I got nothing, you know, nothing I got's big enough to friggin' turn the stovepipe. So that's awesome, but yeah, I don't know. I don't even know now. So it'd be a terrible situation to just rent my new ones and that. But anyways, we'll do the other side and see if we can't figure something out there. Well, I guess you got a beg to differ, boys. Eh? What do you think about that? Got brakes, a couple lights, and tires. That's all I need for safety, boys. Didn't say all about the frame, or I mean, what are you going to say about the rockers and the box sides? Oh, it's perfect. What are you talking about? But anyways, boys, we'll figure out more shit tomorrow. I don't know what I'm going to do about the drums, but probably end up just buying new ones. Son of a bitch. I want to drive my rig, and it's friggin' altered. I should have just left them on there until Tuesday. But anyways, I go.